Have you ever considered using IoT on your HVAC plant? Struggling to find a proper end-to-end solution? Well, we have the answer for you. EnviroLogic, working with M&E contractors Polytech, have installed their multi-sensor smart HVAC IoT system at London's Royal Exchange. The EnviroLogic IoT system is unique in that it can communicate and penetrate through sub-basement plant room walls, provide instant monitoring and alarms using a secure mobile network, enabling monitoring of key items, ideal for unmanned sites. Special IoT sensors developed by EnviroLogic were quickly and easily installed by Polytech's technicians. The EnviroLogic IoT multi-layer web-based dashboard is accessible at different levels by anyone from the security guards, facility managers and external contractors. Polytech's technicians receive instant alerts on multiple devices as soon as something isn't working quite as it should. Decisions can then be made to fix items before they fail. Just imagine the thousands that can be saved from refrigerant leaks and compressor failures alone. At last, someone who really knows IoT and HVAC equipment. Why not find out how you can benefit from IoT? Get in contact with EnviroLogic today on 0203 916 5158 or visit the website www.enviro-logic.co.uk.